Hi guys, I'm Radhika and today I'm reviewing the iFalcon K255-inch 4K Smart TV by TCL. Now this is a UHD TV that packs in plenty of advanced and user-friendly features. To understand more about this product, let's get into its features one by one. To begin with, this television comes with TCL's amazing picture quality with 4K resolution. It gives you a seamless viewing experience, be it gaming, binge watching, music videos, or any other content. You can enjoy it all without any kind of distortion. It gives you true-to-life projection with 4 times the resolution of a regular HD TV. This television also has what I would say enlightening, but is called micro-dimming. This feature analyzes the television content across its hundreds of zones, adjusting the brightness and darkness for each zone differently. The result? You get picture quality with great color contrast and a complete next-level viewing experience. Moving on, this television also gives you many options to adjust the sound and tone of display across genres such as live action sports, movies, news, live concerts and many more. This television is also equipped with HDR that produces images in dazzling detail with accurate reproduction of light and dark shades, allowing you to experience the next level of HDR content. The natural light technology takes care of your eyes so that you can binge watch without any harm. Now moving on, the iFalcon K2 TV is certified by Google for its operating functions. You can enjoy a full suite of Google utility and entertainment features, customized specially for this television. It's also equipped with the official TV version Google Play Store that gives you the freedom to download several high-quality applications that offer video on demand, social networking, gaming, photo sharing, and so much more. Now friends, adding on to the features, this television also has built-in Google Chromecast, Google Voice Search, Google Play Movies, and TV and Google Play Games. So you can just sync all your Android devices together so that entertainment never comes to a halt. This TV is a bliss for the binge watchers. While you can enjoy unlimited movies and sitcoms with Google, you can also enjoy Netflix in 4K HDR. Not just that, the remote comes with a dedicated button just for Netflix. This TV is also your one-stop solution for the sound-related needs. It comes with inbuilt Dolby audio with DTS technology. Now this delivers powerful, high-impact sound that sets you right in the middle of action. It also comes with a built-in stereo box speaker that, along with Dolby's decoding technology, delivers a wide and loud audio range, in turn boosting the TV sound quality. Let's check it out. This Have-It-All TV also comes with another interesting feature. The TCL iFalcon TV has a smart volume feature. This feature detects the kind of content that is being viewed, for instance sports, TV commercials, news, movies, and from the back end, automatically adjusts the sound setting. Isn't that great? So friends, this was mostly about the software functions of this television. This TV is equipped with a quad-core processor that is 3 times faster than conventional televisions, allowing for smoother multitasking and faster web browsing. The quad-core CPU and dual-core GPU with 2.5 GB RAM and 16 GB storage supports multitasking and reduces non-responsive situations, helping the whole system run more smoothly. Also, if you take a look at this TV, you would notice that it has a very narrow bezel that looks classy and at the same time gives you a wide viewing experience. The metallic frame on this 10.6 mm thin TV makes it look like a modern piece of art. Also, this TV has a very minimalist design. With all the cables and sockets hidden, the look is clean and very elegant. In addition to this television is also moisture-proof and consumes very less power because of the lighting protection. So friends, to sum it all up, I think this television packs in a lot of advanced features and really raises the bar to the next level. So go right ahead and buy it without any second thoughts. Also, if you're buying it on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. Now that's some package deal. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me for today. Have a perfect buy.